Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit, VRTrader.com, and we're looking at a Leibovit VR tutorial here for Coca-Cola and Monster Beverage this weekend. And the screen is showing the VR directional indicator available here on eSIGNAL. And it's very clear that we had a very nice Leibovit positive VR signal form here on August 11th. We had a rising stochastic, and then we found out on Friday that Coca-Cola bought a piece of a Monster Beverage and had this nice little rally right up to the 50-day moving average, which is the blue line. So a nice little call there. And going back, look at the Leibovit negative VR, which was posted on July 22nd. We had the downtrending stochastic confirming it, and there was a nice play to the downside. So in both directions here, nice call for the Leibovit VR. Let's look at Monster, which was a monster. Huge move as you see on Friday, but there was a nice little positive VR here formed on August 7th, and you had a couple days to get into the trade as the 533 stochastic was rising. And prior to that, you had some trades to the downside here. You had a couple day trade here, you had a couple 3-day trade here to the downside as the VRs were coming in on a negative side. But as soon as that positive came in, if you were short, you immediately have covered, and if you want to play the long side for a couple, 3 days, you still would have made a little bit of money, and if you were courageous even longer, you would have got caught in this beautiful upward gap on Friday. Let's flip to the weekly chart on Monster, which is also interesting. We had a weekly Leibovit positive ER, not last week, but the week prior, so telling you on the weekly chart something was going on, and he had that rising stochastic. So very interesting symbiotic relationship here between the two, showing accumulation. So what does it say? Is some smart money was out there and knew something was coming, and they were anticipating a rally, maybe not to the degree that we saw, but certainly a rally. This is one of the reasons why you have to watch those VRs. Have a pleasant day. Thanks for checking in.